Hi everyone, the word of the day is skive. Let's look at the meaning of the word. The word skive is a verb and its meaning to avoid work or school. By staying away or leaving without permission. For example, Emma and Alex have skived off school today, to watch the football match. Now let's look at the example sentences of the word skive. Number 1, he works for his mother and feels he can skive off, whenever he feels like it. Number 2, she wasn't ill, she was just skiving. Number 3, it's computer-based work. But I can't skive on the internet as people, including the boss, can see my screen. Number 4, I gamble all of my money on horse racing mainly over the internet, but skive off work regularly to visit the bookies. Number 5, he always skives off early on Fridays. Thanks for watching. If you like this video then like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.